can you recover your Minecraft account without your email? Well, the answer is yes if you have the information regarding your account, and the answer might even be no if you don't have one. First, you want to simply go to your Google Chrome, and here you want to simply go to your Microsoft account. After that, you want to click on sign up over here, and if you have not signed up to Microsoft, you want to simply tap on sign in, and when it asks for your email and password, you want to simply tap on forgot password or I didn't have access to my email, if that option is available as well. After that, you want to simply follow the identity verification process, provide every information requested, such as your name, your previous password, or your account details. Once the Microsoft recognizes that you are indeed the user, you'll be able to follow the process of recovering your account as well. However, if you do not provide enough information, you won't be able to recover your Microsoft account over here. Hope this video was helpful, and if you have any further questions, make sure to leave a comment down below.